Students, I hope all of you fit and fine at your home and your study going well. Student, as all of you know that today we will start our new chapter, and chapter name is, what's the chapter name? Clothes. Chapter name is the clothes. So in this chapter we will study about the how is the clothes form and the clothes we wear and carrying the clothes. Okay, so clothes are our basic necessity. As all of you know, early men lived in the caves and used to wear the leaves, bark of the tree and skin of the animal. But nowadays we wear the clothes and slowly learned the art of the weaving and stitching and clothes and wearing the clothes. All of we wear the different type of the clothes. What about you? What many clothes do you change in a day? Many types of the clothes we are wearing. Why we wear the clothes? Because clothes protect us from the heat, rain, dust and insect bite, and we also look smart. We wear the uniform at school and the shining fancy dress for party, comfortable clothes while we are at home, or night suit. When we are going for play, we are wearing the track suit. Okay, and dancers and actors wear the costume, and some wear the uniform just like a doctor, lawyer, policeman, soldier, nurses also wear the which dress? Uniform. That dress is called uniform. How is the, so at school we wear the uniform, at home the loose and comfortable clothes, and going out for party the party dress, and the going for bed night dress. In this way we see that we wear the different type of the clothes, the various purposes. Importance of clothes. What is the importance? Why we wear? The clothes protect us from heat of sun. Before that you also knowing about that, but learn it and remember it. Why we wear? If anyone asks why you wear the clothes, because clothes protect us the from the heat of sun and cold also and rain also. Dust stick on the clothes. If we don't wear the clothes, this dust will stick on our body. So clothes protect us from dust. And rain coats, umbrella and gumboot are made of the waterproof material, so they protect us from rain. Clothes protect us from cold. Clothes keep us warm, therefore we wear them in a cold weather. And the clothes also protect us from the insect bite. Clothes make us look smart. If we are wearing the iron cloth, neat and clean clothes, we are looking smart. Material from the clothes. How can we prepare the clothes? Okay, so cloths are made up of the fiber. Fiber are the spun into the long thread. These thread are then woven into the fabric. Types of the fabrics. Cloths can be natural or synthetic, depend upon their whether they are made from natural or synthetic fiber. Let us study about these fibers. Fibers are the two types, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers such as the jute, cotton, linen, etc. are the natural fiber we get from the plants. Silk, wool are also the natural fiber we get from animal. So in this way, though which fiber we get from the nature, such as a plants and animal, these fibers are called natural fiber. Synthetic fiber are that the made of the artificially are called the synthetic fiber. For example, rayon, nylon, polyester and the lyra. These fibers are also known as the man-made fiber. Artificial fiber, synthetic fiber, man-made fiber. Three names of that we are calling it. And cloths made with the synthetic fiber are stronger than those made by the natural fiber. And these cloths dry up faster, they are wrinkle free, they some are the stretchable, but they catch the fire easily and don't allow body heat to escape. And try to wear the clothes made from the natural fiber. Clothes we wear. Depending upon the weather, people wear the different type of clothes. We wear the light color clothes in summer because they keep our body cool. They have the pores in between the thread. These allow the body heat to escape and also absorb the sweat easily. Light color clothes reflect sunlight and hence keep us cool, and we wear the dark color cloth woolen cloths in winter. Silk woolen cloths don't allow the body heat to escape and keep our body warm. Dark color clothes absorb the sunlight and makes us feel warm. In rainy season we wear the raincoat, gumboot, which are made from the waterproof material, so they prevent us from getting wet. Okay student, read this chapter properly. Okay, and learn the book exercise. Thank you. God bless you.